Welcome back to my channel JMPR Cloud Tech, where you'll be learning Salesforce from a learner. That's me, Preetham Angya. In the previous video, we learned what are Salesforce relationships. In today's video, let us understand page layouts and record types. What are record types and why do we need them? Let's say Astro has two groups of users, the sales team and the services team. Both these teams would need separate fields in their layouts. Let's first understand what are layouts. Go to Object Manager and navigate to any object. Let's choose Account and go to Page Layout. Salesforce provides few layouts out of the box for standard objects. For custom objects, we have to create them ourselves. We can create new layouts on standard objects. Let's try to edit the account layout. This screen lets us customize both view and edit forms from single place. Let us compare with actual layout to understand further. So, to start from the top, here we have all the available fields, buttons, links, etc. Blurry ones like account number, owner are already present on the layout. You can click on them to find their location. Also, if you want to add a field to the layout, you can just drag and drop onto the layout like this. We can even rearrange the way we want. Let me save the layout and refresh to see the behavior. Scrolling down, you can see section headers. You can customize how it will be visible. Should it be single column? Should it be shown on detail screen, etc. If we save this and refresh, we can see the headers added to accordion sections. The accordions you close will be persisted for the user. Even if they log out and log back in, they will see their own accordion preference, like two are collapsed and one of them is expanded. Coming back to Layout Editor, we have related lists. These are all master detail and lookup relationships with this object. So, a contact related list shows all the contacts related to this particular account. Here, Jack Rogers is a contact on Burlington account. Similarly, we have other related lists which can be customized, like choosing which columns and buttons to be shown. Scrolling back up, we can see quick actions in Salesforce Classic and Lightning Experience actions. We are right now using Lightning Experience, and I'll be covering the difference between Salesforce Classic and Lightning in a video of its own. Do subscribe so that you don't miss it. Now, in Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience actions, you can see all the buttons or quick actions which has to be available in the layout. If I move Edit to the first location and save, then we can see the instant result here. The new task, log a call, new event, email, etc. that you add here are shown in the activities section. Well, we did so many customization with just drag and drop. If we had to do such form level changes in non-Salesforce environment, then we might have had to query from the database, modified code base to include all these changes, test it, and then deploy it to production. But in Salesforce, we got it done in matter of minutes. That is the go-to-market capability of Salesforce that I so much love. Now, coming to our design of Astro having a sales team and services team, we will create two page layouts on menu object that we had created earlier. First one will be for the sales team, duplicating it with existing layout. We'll just rearrange the fields like this. And let's say sales team don't want to see these system information. We will just remove them and save. Let's create another layout for the services team. This time duplicating it from sales layout. Here we will add back the system information and make the header visible for them and save it. Now we created two page layouts, but how will we differentiate who sees what? We can go to page layout assignment from here and define the assignments. Let's say custom sales profile sees sales layout and users in support profile will see services layout. Now, as we are finalizing these page layouts, Astro comes back and, like a typical business leader, wants more changes to improve his business. Me, being the consultant working in Agile form, will accept the new changes. So the new changes are, he wants the type field on menu object to be shown differently to each regional users. I have just added some random values here for demonstration purposes. For North America, he wants breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. For APAC, he wants slight changes like no brunch but includes snacks, and so on for EMEA and Latin America. How can we achieve this? We can always write code to customize applications, but first let's think how to do it in a declarative approach. To solve such scenarios, we have something called as record types in Salesforce. This defines a record type to all records created on an object, and using that we can have multiple layouts and pick list options for it. Let's go to record types here and create four record types for all four business regions of Astro. First would be the NA menu, available to all. And menu layout assigned to all. Let us repeat this for remaining three regions. So there you go, four record types are ready. Now starts the tough work of designing who sees what. If you go back to page layout assignment, you can assign layouts for each of these record types as well. Let us say North America sales team wants a slight change in the layout, but other regional sales teams do not want that change. Then we can create another page layout specific to North America sales team like this. And we can come back to assignment to assign the new page layout. For the new record types that we created, APAC, EMEA, and LATAM, let us assign the default sales and service layouts. Whereas for the NA menu, let us assign the NA sales layout, and for support profile, we will just go with this global services layout. Let's go back to record types and select each of the record type one by one and edit the pick lists available for editing, that is the type pick list. As per this table, let us assign the values for each of the regions. For NA, it is only breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. Let's assign similarly for other regions as well. Now let us log in as Astro and create few menu records. We will navigate to Menus tab and create records in North America menu. So creating a breakfast menu with type selected as breakfast, a Sunday special breakfast and lunch menu records. Let us change the profile of Astro to different profile and we'll see the layout change behavior. So here I am editing Astro's profile and making it custom sales profile. So if we go back to Astro's login, we can notice that the layout is now the North America sales layout. For comparison, we'll show what the system admin sees and what the North America sales team sees. So for now, we have covered Details tab of Object Manager, Fields and Relationships, Page Layouts and Record Types. In future videos, let us explore the remaining configuration items available in Object Manager. Please do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos.